Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is a YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this is for a Unicorn Glam Squad, and it's my group here on YouTube. And each week on Wednesday we do a different theme. And this month's themes are like spring / St. Patrick's Day. So in between those themes. And I will make sure to link everybody down below that's in this collab, to their channel, and the link to the video, so you can go check them out and show them some love and tell them I sent you. So this week's theme was gold, because you know, pot of gold for St. Patrick's Day, so I created this gold eye look. I think it turned out really cute, simple, everyday look, quick and easy for y'all. I did everything gold, as well as a highlighter on my face, even though it's a little too dark, as you can see the shadow. That was my bad. I did not know. I keep forgetting one of the highlighters in my collection is a little too dark for me, so I never use it. I might need to just use it on my eyes just to use it some. But yeah, that's what look I created. So let me know what you think down below. So the next couple we'll be talking about the makeup products I used and what I did for the eye look, and then we'll be done with this video. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. Again, make sure you do go check out the latest that's linked down below. Go show them some love and tell them I sent you, and see what gold inspired makeup look they did today. So yeah, and it doesn't have to be like pot of gold. It could just be gold the color. It's up to you, whatever you decide to do. So I just decided to do the simple, easy gold eye look that you can wear every day or out or whatever you decide to do. So now let's talk about the makeup I used. So I picked out the palette that I haven't used in a while, and I want to use it because the gold's in the palette. It's called Ditto Venus Palette Limited Edition. This palette right here. So why I wanted to use it, because I haven't used this in a while, and I just want to use it again. So I don't know how to say some of these names, so I'm just going to point right here. This light brown shade in the crease and blend it out. To help blend that shade out more, I used Mercury, which is this light, like, tan shade, to blend out the edges of that shade. On the lid, I used Jupiter, which is right here. On the lid, it's that gold shade. It's so pretty. Here's a swatch of it. Such a pretty gold shade. I thought it would be perfect for that, so I decided to use it. Then under my eyes, I used the brown to blend it out with the Mercury shade again. And then for my inner corner, I don't know how well you guys see it, like right here. It's so pretty. It's like, it's Venus shade, but it's like, it can be a highlighter as well if you wanted to, because how big it is. But here's a shade. It has like pink reflex in it. It's so pretty. I thought this would be a perfect inner quarter shade, because that's like the only inner quarter shade you have. You have this one that's Mars, but it's a little too dark for me. So I think this might be like inner quarter shade for like deeper skin tones. So that's what I use for this eye look. Let me know what you think down below. I just thought I would use it again, so I haven't used it in a while. And then the products I used off camera that I did not show, I will link them down below. As well as the highlighter combo I did. I had to use 3 different ones because I was trying to use a gold highlighter. The first one I used was too dark, so I just used a combo of 3. Mixed them a little bit together and then created this highlighter look. So it's a little too dark on me, but I just need to remember that for that other one. So for the mascara, I used the Stila Huge Mascara. It's one of my favorites in my collection. It's so pretty on the lashes. I really like it, how it separates them, how it makes them look. I like that one. Then we got by Jeffree Star the gloss in Mouthful. I just thought this was a pretty gloss, and I just want to do a simple gloss look for today. And then to set my face, I use the Shades by Shane, the setting spray. I really love this stuff. I've been trying it out, and it seems to work really good. It's like my second favorite setting spray I ever used. And I love this brand so much. I used their their primer, and they're really good. So I wanted to really, when I got that from an empty bag, it was really good, and I really was excited to try it out. So I was happy that I got that. So now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. So I'm just wearing this cute little outfit. It don't go with the theme of gold, but I just wanted to wear it. So I'm wearing this little headband. It's a spa headband. I just wanted to wear it today. I got it from that new cat box that I received in PR. And then I'm just wearing this sweatshirt. Oops, sorry. I just knocked everything down. I'll get that later. The sweatshirt that's from Area. I don't know how to say it, but I just wanted to wear it. It's a little chilly today, so I just wanted to wear this. It's so soft and comfortable, and just wanted to wear this today. And I just had to keep the headband on when I was doing my skincare, just to keep it on. It matches the outfit perfectly, but that's what I'm wearing today. I didn't wear no gold jewelry or anything like that, or anything like gold related, but this is just about the makeup look. It don't have to be what I'm wearing. But I know some people like seeing what I wear, so I like to share it in this section of the video. If I can find this sweatshirt, I will link it, and I will also during the video in the iCards if I remember. If not, just check out my channel for the unboxing of the cat box I received. I think it's Meowgica. I think that's how you say that brand name, but it's a cute box. I really recommend it. It's a cat box. I loved it when they wanted to receive me. If they wanted to gift me some PR, I was so excited. I really love the box, so they did really good with that. So I just wanted to wear it for today. But yeah, so I think that's it for everything I'm wearing in today's video. So if you got this far in the video and you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let's say your favorite gold emoji, because I know there's more than a lot, like the little cups that are gold, or you just like, you could do it like the yellow heart to represent gold. Whatever you decide to do, just leave that emoji and be shot in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what's shot in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them some love and tell them I sent you. They really appreciate it. And I love shouting people out, so please check them out. They're YouTubers as well as subscribers. And you know how to get to them. They're a subscriber. You can look at the comments, and if they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel. And this is a way for me to say thank you for the support and watching my videos in full. It does help out a lot. And I love shouting you out to say thank you. And for my unicorns and meeting new people. So if you do want to be shout out, please leave that emoji. If you don't find them on your favorite gold emoji, or you can't find one in general, just say you watched it full and you'll be shouted in the next video put on my channel. And hopefully I see some of those in the comments. During this section, I will put like examples up here or right here of emojis that I found. But if you can't find any gold emoji, just again say you watched the full and you'll be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to watch past of these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You could check out that playlist. Please watch the playlist. It does help out with my watch time hours. So if you have any free time, please check out that playlist. It's one of my biggest ones here on YouTube because I do a lot of YouTube collabs and I really do enjoy them. So please again check out that playlist and see what else I do on YouTube. Also, I forgot to mention this is an open collab. I'm the host of this collab. If you want to know, all you have to do is have an Instagram, so I can add you to the Instagram group, and that's where we communicate all our stuff, what we want to do and stuff like that. So what I usually do at the end of each month, I usually say, or close to the end of the month, I'll say to the ladies if they have any ideas of what themes they want to do. Everybody sends some ideas out. I put it in a big old list of my ideas as well. I send the full list, and then they vote for how many Wednesdays are in the month. So this Wednesday were 4 in the month. So you will vote for your top 4. And then I tally all the votes in, and then the top 4 that got the most votes will be the top 4 of the videos. So once I get, for the themes of the videos. So after I get the votes in, I'll send the final list for the month, and so they have it. And I like to do that at the end of each month so they have it for the next month and they can do it anytime they want, every time they have free time or anything like that. And then after you do your video, make sure you do send your picture in so I can make a collage and send your link in so everybody has your link. And then you could post anytime on Wednesday, and you have to make sure you put the hashtag unicornglamsquad so people know that you're part of the collab. And also, I forgot to mention, that's how you can see anybody that haven't got their links yet, because we do post different times. Just click that hashtag and it should show you recent videos. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of this video. But yeah, I think that's all the information. I would love to see new unicorns or new people in general that's on YouTube to join in the collab. It's such a fun one. I really do love it. I love that I created it and people wanted to join in. We just have a fun time. It's a very fun collab, laid back, any creative makeup look you can think of, you could do. And it's like, a very fun one. So I really recommend you to join in. And if you don't have an Instagram, you can always ask me if you really, really want to join in, and I could send you the links, not the links, the list or like your email or something like that if you really want to join in. You don't have an Instagram, but we're based on Instagram because that's where I created the group app. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my gold inspired makeup look for today. Let me know your thoughts on it. I thought it'd be a perfect, easy, everyday eye look for anybody that doesn't really do a lot of creative makeup looks, because that's what mainly I do. So I like to splash in here and there quick, easy looks for y'all so y'all can recreate them. And I forgot to mention also in the video, if you do recreate any of my looks from any months, any looks that you see on my channel, please tag me. I like to go check it out, show it some love, and maybe shout you out. But I really want to see who all gets inspired by me. And I always, if I ever get inspired by somebody that I do create a makeup look, I always tag them in the description or let you know during the video so you know. I always like to give credit where credit is due. So that's why I like to mention that if you do recreate my looks, please tag me. I like to go check it out and show it some love. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.